Hey, my name is Josh, also known as Yoshi Bear J. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Facebook ads to generate leads by getting people to call your business. I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. But guys, before we get into the video, check this out. Check out my Facebook ads course where I show you the newest and latest Facebook ads strategies. Guys, a lot of people have already signed up to the course and I'm currently running a limited offer on it. So get involved. The link is in the description. Now let's get into the video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get more calls as leads for your Facebook ad campaigns. This is good if you're trying to get more calls in as part of your lead generation strategy. Yeah. So guys, I'm not going to waste no time. Let's get into it. So here we've got our ads manager right here. Yeah. Then all you got to do is click create. Then come down here, and for some of you guys, it's going to be like this because Facebook is changing this selection of objectives. For other people, it's going to be slightly different. But either way, choose leads. On maybe your Facebook ad account, it may say lead generation. Choose that. But at the ad set level, it's still going to look the same. So choose leads. And as you notice here, it says instant forms, messenger, conversions, calls. Those are the 4 different ways you can generate leads through Facebook ads. But for today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it to get calls. So if you click here, then click continue. Now we're at the campaign level. So let's call this call campaign. Call campaign. Just as an example. Yeah. Then you come down here and you can turn on CBO. You can do ABO. It's totally up to you how you want to do it, depending on your budget. But here's the key. Here's the key here, guys. Yeah. Then right here, once you've pretty much selected what you want to do, whether it's CBO or not. CBO is basically Advantage Campaign Budget. It's basically a new name for that, basically. Then you just basically click next. So I'm going to do this as CBO and I'll do $10 a day or something like that. Yeah. Then I'm going to click next right here. And guys, can you see here? Can you see? We're at the ad set level. You got website. This if you want to drive people to your website to get for them to fill in a form on your website to get leads through there. You could do instant forms. You could do messenger. You could do instant forms and messenger. You can do calls or generate leads through your app. But for today's video, we're choosing calls. Yeah. And that's literally it. So it says here, calls. Generate leads by asking people to call your business. So when the ads are running, it's going to show to people who are more likely to call your business to inquire about your services and all that great stuff. Then you come down here. Obviously, you choose your location that you're trying to target, the age, the gender. It's totally up to you guys. Make sure that in terms of your targeting, make sure it's in line with your customer avatar. So if you're trying to target parents, for example, right? You want to make sure that the people that you're targeting are parents. You also want to target what those parents are consuming, whether it's magazines, TV shows, etc., etc. it really comes down to understanding your audience, guys, and using those assumptions and putting them into here. Then you can select your placements. You could do advantage and placements or manual placements. It's totally up to you. Then once you've done that, let's check right here. Calls, cool. Because having this ticked is super important, guys. And also you want to make sure your Facebook page is selected. Then once you've done, you just click next right here. Now we're at the ad level. So at the ad level, here, you've got your ad set up. You can do single image or carousel. And then here's your ad creative. And here you can click add media. You can choose add video or add video or add image. It's totally up to you. Just know that when you do video, make sure that you have that call to action in the video as well, not just in the copy. So when you're doing your video, you want it to be like, hey, we offer this. Give us a call on here, and you want the number to appear on the video. So you pretty much have two ways that your audience is seeing that information so they can take the action to call your business. Here, you've got your primary text. Call us today. Just as an example, just typing that in. Call us today. Then here, this is important, guys. Make sure that you put in the right country code. So as you can see here, you've got the different countries and they all have the different beginnings for the phone numbers. So make sure you're choosing the number, the correct one for yourself. So say, for example, my company is based in the United Kingdom. It's +44, right? And here is where you basically put the rest of your number. So when your ads are running, people are more likely to take that action, right? And it just makes it easier for people to call you as well, because you want to make things easier in the funnel, right? So when people are just getting involved or seeing your service for the first time or seeing your offering for the first time, you want to make it easier for them to get in contact with you. You're saying the number in the video, you're saying the number, you're showing the number here where they can call. And also you can put in the URL that goes to your website. And even when they click to go to your website, the number is there as well. Really big and bold and obvious. So you pretty much got 3 different ways where people can call your business. All roads lead to your business through those 3 ways. Through the media, through the destination, through the website. Yeah. And once you're done with that, just click publish. And here you go. So guys, that is how you run a campaign, a lead generation campaign, in order to get people to call your business so you can transform them into potential leads. So that's how you do it. So guys, put that into practice, include this in your marketing strategies if it applies to your business. And as usual, I'll be coming back with more tips and tricks to help you in your business. See you later, guys.